Hey, now that all the settings are ready, we can finally create our pipeline. We can go here after the layout creation and write out our pipeline info object. We set the S type to the graphics pipeline create info. We set the stage count to 2 for our vertex and fragment stages. Actually, since we created an array, let's use the array size and array data. Next, we pass in the address to the vertex input state, the address to the input assembly state, the address to the viewport state, the address to the rasterization state, the address to the multi-sampling state, no for the depth stencil state, which we will explore later in the course, the address to the color blend state, the address to the dynamic states, the layout object that we created, the render path that this pipeline belongs to, and the subpath index that this pipeline corresponds to. Now, I have to go to the header file where I will add a new member variable for the VK pipeline. And when I go back to the CPP file, I'll start invoking the VK create graphics pipeline call. We pass in the logical device, then we can pass in a pipeline cache, but we're not going to explore this. So I just pass in a no handle. We're creating one pipeline, then we pass in the info address, no for the allocator, and the address to the pipeline member field. Finally, after this is called, we can check the VK result. And if it isn't a success, we can exit the application. We also need to add a corresponding VK destroy pipeline. I do this inside the destructor. And after all this, we can now test out everything is fine. I built and run the application, and we get no error in the console. We're almost at the stage where we render out our first triangle. We just need to learn how to create our command buffers to issue draw command, and then synchronize the frame rendering between the pipeline and the monitor.